Welcome everyone to our next online Microsoft Word learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to remove an extra space from the sentence. So in this Word document, you can see I have written few sentences, and in between few sentences there is an extra space. So I need to remove those extra space. So instead of doing manually one by one, we can use one word shortcut here. Here, press Ctrl H, click on replace here. Then in find word, type round bracket and close with round bracket also. Then left curly brackets, 2 comma right curly brackets, and in replace type backslash 1, and you click on here use wildcards. Then after click on replace all. You can see here all done, we made 8 replacement. Click on OK here, close it. You can see there is no extra space between sentences, so all are removed. So by this way you can remove extra space from your sentence in Word document. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.